With us, we're getting some more updates as far as the chaos within the Congress party is concerned. It is being speculated that there's a big group that is now planning to take some action as far as the leadership is concerned. But more specifically right now, the infighting is also spilling out into the public domain yet again after an electoral defeat. Congress leader Tariq Anwar has now said that Kapil Sibal shouldn't have gone public on party's internal issues. Listen in.
मेरा भी ये मानना है, अशोक जी ने जो कहा है बिल्कुल सही कहा है कि कपिल सिब्बल जी एक सीनियर कांग्रेस के नेता हैं, देश के माने हुए वकील हैं। उनको इस बात को समझना चाहिए कि अगर पार्टी के अंदर कोई कमी है या कहीं पर कुछ उनको सुझाव देना है तो वो हाई कमांड से मिलकर, कांग्रेस प्रेसिडेंट से मिलकर अपनी बात कह सकते हैं। उनको कहीं कोई इसके लिए रुकावट नहीं है। और या तो पार्टी फोरम पर बोल सकते हैं, बजाय इसके कि पार्टी फोरम के बोलने के अगर कोई सार्वजनिक रूप से कोई मीडिया में अगर कोई स्टेटमेंट देते हैं तो उससे पार्टी का नुकसान होगा, फ़ायदा नहीं होगा। तो ये बात तो अशोक गहलोत जी ने बिल्कुल सही कहा कि अगर कुछ पार्टी के अंदर कुछ सुझाव देना है तो आप पार्टी फोरम पर दे सकते हैं, पार्टी अनुशासन के दायरे में दे सकते हैं।
So why are leaders speaking in public, and why has it been happening quite often over the past few months? That's the big question that perhaps the Congress leaders and leadership are unwilling to look into. My colleague Anuj is also joining us. Anuj, the point is not so much about what Kapil Sibal has said and why he said it in public. The problem is that this happens frequently after every few months, but it leads nowhere. We still do not have proper elections taking place for internal democracy in the Congress party, something that all leaders have asked for. You would remember the letter that was also written a few months back by senior leaders. The problem only is that nobody seems to be listening.
Well, this is more trouble for the Congress party, and the top brasses is not ready to understand the same yet. Yes, as you were pointing it out very rightly, this is states after state. This is month after month. The internal tussle of the Congress party is out in open, and this is in public domain. And the Congress party is also seeing the ramification of the same on the ground level. The cadre is affected by the same, and the result can be clearly seen in the elections. So that's something what Congress party need to understand. When we are talking about the democracy in the Congress party, then one thing is very much clear, that the top brasses and including Gandhis are not ready to leave the dynasty politics. Remember what happened in the last CWC meeting when there was no president has been elected till now. The talks on the president is continuously on. The CWC happened, but the top leadership who was speaking against the dynasty politics was criticized in the CWC meeting. Priyanka Gandhi herself was present, Rahul Gandhi was there, and none other but the mother was also present in the meeting. So that's something what Congress party is not ready to understand, that this is the time for the change, and the senior leadership is calling for the change.
And is it heading towards a split? Now that is once again something that is being speculated, because how many times will senior leaders say what they feel is the right thing to do and then be snubbed? Because that seems to be happening again. Anuj, thanks a lot for joining us. For the meantime, it is time for us to slip into a very short break, and here's a reminder of what more is lined up.